So here we have an original Magregor single channel radio control unit. Obviously it would have been 27 megahertz in the old days, but I, with the help of Phil Green from singlechannel.co.uk, I'm going to convert it into a 2.4 gigahertz jobby. So what I've done is I've taken out what was the original motherboard there. Look at that fantastic piece of electronic engineering, worthy of being in an iPhone or something like that. But that was what was inside there. That's the old aerial there, like that. So what we've done is, if we look inside, what we've got here is a little encoder that basically converts the signal from the switch and the button there into something that's usable, and then you plug it into this module here. This is an orange Spectrum module with a Futaba connector there, like that. So if I put this in here like that, that just goes in there. Hopefully I don't put it in such a way that it's going to blow it up. Pushing it in there like that. There we go. So that just sits in there like that. Obviously at some point it's going to be glued into there, and there's our little encoder there. You see some lovely little LEDs come on, and also we've got I've got my little receiver here, so let's put that there like that. So the first thing to do is to plug in the battery, because it comes with a wiring harness. We'll just put that down for a minute. Plug in the battery, like that. Bring over the other battery here. It's that one there, so we'll plug that one in. But it's always a good idea to actually turn the thing on first. So what we'll do is turn it around here, make sure that's not fouling anything. Move that over there like that. So we switch the thing on here. On comes the lovely little light, makes a lovely little noise like that. And what we do is we plug this into here, like that. There we go. So that's all, hopefully all running there. So there's our servo. And then the way it works is, if I can turn this around so we can see it correctly. Let's move that all around there like that. What happens is, there's two ways in which this works. I can't remember which way round they are, but the way I've got it set up is that you press the button once in and it will move the servo in one direction. Okay, you press it again and it moves the servo in the other direction. So you press it once and that will make the rudder go left. Press it again and it makes the rudder go right. So you just got to remember what way round you're flying, which was the previous direction you went. What this little board has got here is a little LED that will change from red to green depending on which one. So you know if it's red, you know you're going to be turning left the next go. If it's green, you know you're going to be turning right the next go. I think that's the basic idea. So that's it. It's all set up. It's all running. I'm very pleased. Now I've just got to glue the whole lot inside the box so that we have something nice and neat ready to go. Now the plan is to actually use this with a Vic Smeed Pushycat, and I hope to have it flying at Old Warden in May. I actually bought this last May at Old Warden, I think, so it's taken me this long to get my act together. The other thing that was a real disappointment was that the first of these modules I bought didn't work, so I was really annoyed that it wasn't all running, but it's now running beautifully. So thank you very much, Phil, at singlechannel.co.uk. Okay, next one I'll show you it all put together.